Welcome to Basic Electrical Engineering Part 2. In this video, we'll explore electric current, charge, and drift velocity, focusing on the microscopic physics behind electrical installations. We begin with the light switch paradox. Flipping a switch instantly turns on a light, but do electrons move at the speed of light? The microworld reveals that electrons drift very slowly, only millimeters per second. Electric charge is the foundation. We measure charge in Coulomb C. 1 coulomb is equivalent to the charge of 625 by 10 to the power of 16 electrons. Conduction relies on free electrons. Metals have loosely bound outer electrons, known as valence electrons, that detach easily and wander randomly through the material. Electric current is the directed flow of free electrons. We define it with the formula I equals Q divided IT, measured in amperes A. 1 ampere is 1 coulomb of charge flowing past a point in 1 second. Physically, electrons flow from the negative to the positive terminal. However, engineering convention, based on historical assumptions, uses conventional current, flowing from positive to negative, which we still use in diagrams today. Current is a scalar quantity. Although it has a direction of flow, magnitudes add up directly, conserving charge and not obeying vector algebra. Current exists in different forms. Steady current DC doesn't change with time. Varying current changes magnitude, and alternating current AC changes both magnitude and direction continuously. In the microworld, metals contain positive ions and free electrons. Electrons move randomly at high speeds, constantly colliding with ions, resulting in an average net flow of 0 when no current exists. When a voltage source applies an electric field, electrons gain a slow, constant directed velocity called drift velocity, v_d. This velocity is very slow, approximately 10 to the power of -5 meters per second, due to continuous collisions. The mechanics of current are described by I equals neAvd. This formula connects current I to electron density N, electron charge E, cross-sectional area A, and drift velocity v_d. Resolving the paradox. The light turns on instantly because the electric field travels at the speed of light. This field commands all electrons in the wire to start drifting simultaneously, even though individual electron drift is slow. The key takeaway is that electric current relies on massive numbers of slow-moving electrons acting together instantly, enabled by the speed of light field propagation.